Yo guys, what's up? Welcome back to yet another reaction. My name is TT and I am from Botswana. This is the second song from Rwanda that I have ever listened for in my entire many years that I have lived. This should be embarrassing. Yeah, this is the second song from Rwanda. Is it from Rwanda? Anyway, you see, I'm not even sure. But yeah, if you're here for the first time, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell too, so you don't miss any of the uploads on this channel. I am challenging myself to listen or react to a song from every African country, and obviously there are so many other songs that I'm going to be reacting to from different countries in Africa. But I am challenging to react to. By the end of this year, I should have reacted to songs from 54 countries in Africa, right? Yeah, so Rwanda is coming up next. Let's get to it. What's the name of this artist? Bwiza. That's how you say it? Bwiza or Wiz, or B silent, or it's just Bwiza. Ahazaza. Wow. Hopefully I'm not messing that up. Anyway, let's get to the song. Beautiful video. Yo, this is a beautiful video. How come I have never seen a movie from Rwanda except like that movie Hotel Rwanda? It's not even like a Rwandan movie. Are there any movies from Rwanda that I should watch? If you're from Rwanda, let me know in the comment section, because I don't think I have heard or seen any content from Rwanda. But from this already, I'm like, wow, that's a beautiful video. I want to see like something, short film, something. That's a beautiful.
Even now garuko harara urabizi turafanana icyagatumye dutandukana kiduha impamvu zo kugumana nubwo bahora babyigana ngo bakujyane kure yanjye mama gusa baba bigizangana urwacu ruba rushubukana cyakoze icyo ngukundirama nkunda uburyo umumuriza sha I got you full time mbega sweet life ongera ubimbwire nanjye mbikubwire duhamirize isi ko dukundana ninjye wahiriwe abandi ntumbwire everybody know.
You know, the language is like I can understand what she is saying, but I cannot. It seems like it's like so close to what I can understand, but it's not at the same time, if you know what I mean. Anyway, beautiful video, man. Like, I wish I knew what she is saying so that I can, I guess, match what I'm seeing with the thing. Let me know in the comment section if you're from Rwanda, please.
Everybody knows. To take you away from it. Igihe cyose ngihari, I'll fight for you. Don't worry. I just wanna let you know, darling, whatever you be going through, I will never leave beside you. Mora nsaba Imana ngo iduhe kuramba, kuko ubu buzima bumeze nk'uruganda ruhoramo ibyo nifuza for your love. Ongera ubimbwire nanjye mbikubwire duhamirize isi ko dukundana ninjye wa
Oh, this my cat is disturbing. Come here, Pula. Okay. Anyway, I want to focus on this, but I think I missed some parts here. He doesn't want. Anyway.
Umusaza tuzaba dutoshye duhuze ibiganza aho urukundo rutujyana hariho natwe tugana mbega ukuntu biryoshye.
What movie is that they're watching? Like a souvenir shop there.
Ahazaza hacunge amashushanya nkabona no mu busaza tuzaba dutoshye duhuze ibiganza urukundo rutujyana ariho natwe tugana ukuntu biryoshye.
Yeah, it's a beautiful. I wish I knew what she is saying, because that's a beautiful voice, by the way. Beautiful music video. Okay, let me know what she said in the comment section. Rwanda, done. Okay, round of applause for myself for exploring Africa through music. Thank you so much for watching this, man. If you're here for the first time, like I said earlier, hit that subscribe button. Hit that notification bell too so you don't miss any of the uploads on this channel, and then hit that like button. It is for the algorithm.